What's up YouTube? Here I am with another lovely bike. This is a 51 centimeter Apollo, a great British make. Apollo tdf-100 Tour de France version with Shimano technology. Has a Shimano gears. I believe this is a 6061 aluminium light frame, which is very similar to the Carrera models that I have bought and sold. This is my very first Apollo. Yellow color, really light and shiny, with beautiful red tape wrapped around it. This, I believe, is a used bike. Apollo is a British company that has been making high quality British bikes for over 90 years now. And if anybody who knows bikes, they will be very familiar with Apollo. The chain and the brakes are perfect. This is, I believe, is a used bike, but still very shiny condition. This is, I believe, a 16 gears Shimano. There you go, guys. You should have there is a 16 gears Apollo and Shimano technology. It's got lots of stickers, I believe you can read. This is a used bike but still in lovely condition. Not many of these around. Very similar to Carrera TDF Tour de France version. I believe these guys, Apollo, have made it first, and then Carrera sort of like followed up. So it's very similar to a Carrera TDF. Very light, good tires as well, excellent brakes, really shiny condition. This bike, however, is up for sale. If anybody's interested, please kindly contact me regarding this bike, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Please smash the like button, and I will be reviewing more bikes for you very soon, guys. And as for this bike, I'm gonna take it out on the road, guys. I've tested it before, really enjoyed it. Very similar to Carrera. Apollo, it's a great make, great British make, and this is a very rare Tour de France yellow color. Not many of these around. Other than, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this bike, please feel free to contact me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright then, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.